In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how parking works in Planary. Planary is available for a free trial, which you can download from our product page linked in the description below. Planary tracks two metrics for parking. Provided, the number of parking spaces in your proposal. Required, how much parking is needed based on your project setup. First, I'll set up the parking requirements. To do that, I'll go to Options, Preferences, Programs. Here, for each program type, I can define how much parking is required, based on area in square meters or square feet. For residential, I can set it by the number of units instead. Planary supports several types of parking. Parking lot, placed on the ground or in open space. Parking structure, as a standalone structure. Parking as a building part. And underground parking. To create a parking lot, I'll right-click on the site. Select Add Parking and choose a 2D region, like a filled region from Revit, or a polyline or hatch from AutoCAD. Planary will generate a land type surface. In the Properties panel, I can rename it. And as you can see, the program is set to parking. I can also define surface thickness, offset from ground, and assign it to a layer. To assign parking as a building part, I'll simply select a building part and set the program to parking in the Properties panel. I can do the same for a specific floor. For underground parking, I'll select the building part, or entire building, sitting directly on the site. In the Properties, I'll change the program to Underground Parking, and check the underground box to flip it below ground. To customize how provided parking is calculated, I'll go to Options, Preferences, Parking. Here, I can rename or create new parking types. Change their colors, include or exclude them from TFA, Total Floor Area, or GFA, Gross Floor Area. Under Parking Spaces, I can set the area per space, efficiency, and cell efficiency. In the Metrics dashboard, under Parking, I can see both provided and required spaces. These values update automatically as I work, and that's how parking works in Planary, flexible and fully integrated into your project workflow. Thanks for watching.